Hey, tell of my family. So if you guys clicked over, means you guys wanted to figure out how to make your practice stick a little bit heavier. It's a very, very easy fix. All you gotta do, add more tape. Yeah, add more tape. Oh, yeah, that's it. Easy. No, but for real, very easy fix. Like, yeah, you guys want to make it a little bit heavier. All you gotta do, again, take your duct tape. Duct tape is a little bit heavier, or gorilla if you have gorilla tape. Gorilla tape is heavy as well. Just pretty much go right over. Same process. Same process. All the way down. Nope. Again, what I like to do is go a little bit past. Yeah. Just a little bit past it, so that we can use the electric tape to go over and lock that in. Same with the bottom side. Same thing. Go past it. That way we can use the electric tape to lock it down. If it's still too light, just repeat the process. Go 5 layers, 6 layers, 20 layers, or a 5-layer burrito.
Huh?
Just kidding. Yep. Go all the way down. Then cover that piece that you added, just to lock that in there. Not moving anywhere. There you go. Also, hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe. Don't forget to share, like, please. It's totally free and it'll help me a whole bunch. Don't forget to watch another video. Yeah.